Did you know history shows us traces of Greeks and Roman eating radish about 2,500 years ago? Even today, it is widely used in the preparation of a number of European dishes. Hi viewers, and welcome back to Bestie! The radish is a root vegetable that's usually white in color, though pink, red, and black also exist. The numerous varieties vary in size, color, and flavor depending on the time taken to mature. It has a crisp texture when fresh. The most commonly eaten part is the taproot, although sometimes the greens are also eaten. Apart from being a great ingredient for a variety of dishes, radishes have a wide range of health benefits. And in today's video, we'll tell you what they are. From glowing skin, healthier heart, improved immunity, weight loss, to treating jaundice and more. Watch till the end to learn about all of them. Number 1. Weight loss. Radishes can be very filling, which means that they'll satisfy your hunger without running up the calorie count. They're also low in digestible carbohydrates, high in roughage, and have good water content, so they're a good dietary option for those determined to lose weight. They're also high in fiber and low on the glycemic index. This means they can help regulate bowel movements, assisting weight loss and increasing metabolism efficiency. What's the most difficult food for you to give up when you're on a weight loss diet? Tell us quickly down below in the comment section. Number 2. Lowers cancer risk. Radishes belong to the family of cruciferous vegetables. These contain compounds called isothiocyanates that may help combat different forms of cancer. Their presence in radish seeds have also been found to induce cell death in lung cancer cells. Radish was also found to exhibit chemopreventative effects with breast cancer. It can directly stop the growth of cancer cells and lead to cancer cell death, so it can be a useful anti-tumor agent and play a role in cancer treatment and prevention. Number 3. Keeps the system clean. Radishes are loaded with fiber, which can bulk up the stool and ease its passage. This keeps the system clean and functioning. Being a natural diuretic, they can also purify the urinary kidney systems, relieving inflammation. Since it's a naturally hot vegetable, it can even put an end to the burning sensation experienced while urinating. Furthermore, radishes supply fresh oxygen to the blood, which stops red blood cell damage. Number 4. Glowing skin. Radishes are over 95% water, keeping your skin supple and hydrated. They also boast large doses of vitamin C, which promotes skin health and slows aging. This nutrient increases collagen formation and decreases oxidative stress, protecting your skin from UV radiation and free radicals. At the same time, it promotes wound healing and may prevent age-related skin deterioration. The B vitamins in radishes contribute to a youthful complexion and glowing skin. Folic acid, for example, scavenges oxidative damage and may reduce the signs of aging. Vitamin B6 increases the production of feel-good hormones and wards off stress. This may prevent acne breakouts and premature aging. Number 5. Helps treat jaundice. Radishes and their leaves are widely considered a natural remedy for jaundice. Radish juice has a powerful detoxifying effect and helps purify the blood. It's useful in controlling jaundice as it helps remove bilirubin and even regulates its production. Radish also helps to prevent the breakdown of red blood cells in people suffering from jaundice by increasing the supply of oxygen. Interested yet? Make sure you join our millions of followers and hit that subscribe button for all our great Bestie content. Number 6. Benefits the respiratory system. If you're asthmatic or have sinus issues, including radishes in your diet can help. Radishes are well known to be effective in clearing mucus from the respiratory tract. This helps overcome breathing issues like asthma. They're also known to provide protection to the inner lining of the respiratory organs, preventing allergies and respiratory infections. Number 7. Protects against diabetes. By 2060, the number of US adults diagnosed with diabetes is projected to nearly triple. While simply eating more radishes alone won't negate the risk, research shows a beneficial relationship between the veggie and the disease. A study found that radish has the ability to enhance the body's antioxidant defense mechanism and positively impact hormonal trigger glucose changes. It also reduces glucose absorption in the intestine and promotes glucose uptake. This reduces blood sugar levels. Number 8. Helps fight fungal infections. Candida albicans is one of the most common fungi found in the human body. It's also one of the hardest to fight off. An overgrowth of this fungus can cause vaginal and oral infections. Radish contains an antifungal compound that has been proven to be effective against this fungus. Number 9. Treats kidney stones. A diet containing radish was found to increase the elimination of calcium through urine. This can decrease the likelihood of minerals accumulating inside the urinary tract and forming stones. Number 10. Anti-inflammatory properties. Research has shown that the anti-inflammatory compounds found in radishes, its roots, and leaves can significantly decrease inflammation throughout the body. Antioxidants help boost heart health and reduce the risk of developing arthritis. It may also treat gout and ease discomfort and pain from injuries and strained muscles. Number 11. Boosts heart health. A compound called anthocyanin present in radishes has anti-inflammatory properties. These can help prevent heart disease. They also help with peripheral artery disease, heart failure, and even kidney disease. It can also circulate metabolites and prevent heart ailments by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Number 12. Improves immunity. The presence of vitamin C in radishes makes them an excellent choice for boosting body immunity. This vitamin helps to regulate metabolism and helps the formation of collagen. Collagen strengthens blood vessel walls and prevents the onset of various heart diseases. A strong immune system is vital for good health, and you can boost it naturally in a number of ways. Learn how by watching 7 Ways to Boost Your Immune System. Now back to reasons why you should eat radish every day. Moving on, here's how to pick the best radishes. Typically, radishes are available fresh in the produce section, and you might find them sold by the pound with the leaves attached or destemmed and packed in plastic bags. Go for radishes that are plump, firm, and smooth. Make sure the leaves are bright green and fresh. Avoid radishes with black spots or cracking, as well as oversized or older radishes. Raw radishes taste best when they're young and about 1 inch wide. Radishes aren't usually sold frozen or in cans, but they're sometimes available pickled. However, the pickled ones tend to have added sugar, so check the ingredients or consider pickling them yourself. Now let's talk about how to prep and store radishes. To prep fresh radishes, scrub and wash the orbs, then cut the root tip and stems to help the veggie last longer. The stems spoil faster, so they'll make the radish rot quickly if you leave them on. While you can technically peel radishes, you might not want to with certain varieties such as red radishes, which get most of their peppery flavor from the skin. From there, you can slice, dice, grate, or just serve them whole. Don't be so quick to toss out those stems and leaves. They're totally edible. In fact, research suggests that radish leaves have even more antioxidants than the vegetable itself. Their leaves are also high in fiber and have a similar peppery flavor. The top of the stems just under the leaves tend to be more tender, while the bottom, close to the radish, might be too tough to eat. So go ahead and toss those parts in the compost bin. Store radishes and their leaves separately in the refrigerator. The radishes should last about 2 weeks, while the leaves will last 2 to 3 days. Here are a few ways you can cook radishes. When it's time to cook, both the radishes and leaves can be sautéed, roasted, steamed, or eaten raw. Number 1. As a roasted side dish. If you're not crazy about the spicy flavor of raw radishes, try roasting them for about 15 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Roasting tones down the peppery flavor and brings out their natural sweetness, making them more pleasant for different palates. These maple roasted radishes with dill feta, for example, offer the perfect combo of sweet and savory. Number 2. In a salad. Spice up a boring salad with thinly sliced raw radishes. Try it in a spring pea shoot salad with figs, blue cheese, and walnuts, or make a radish Caesar salad for a fun twist on a classic dish. You can also toss sautéed or roasted radishes into warm salads. Number 3. As a pickled condiment. Pickled radishes make for a delicious meal topper. You can add them to meat-based meals for a bit of brightness and acidity. To make it, combine chopped radishes, water, vinegar, a little sugar, and your favorite spices in a jar. Let it sit for a few minutes or for a couple of hours, if you have time to let the radishes absorb the flavor. You can also buy pickled radish online or at your local grocery store. Number 4. As a garnish. Due to its peppery taste, a single radish can go a long way. Try garnishing a main entree, like this herb-baked salmon, with a thinly sliced radish for a dose of color, nutrients, and flavor. You can also grate or shred a radish on simple dishes such as avocado toast. Eating vegetables like radishes is a great way to stay healthy. You should also make fruits a part of your regular diet. Learn more by watching 8 healthy fruits you should be eating and 8 you shouldn't, or 9 great fruits that naturally cleanse your body. So go ahead and watch one or both of these videos for maximum benefits. How often do you eat radishes? Let us know in the comments below.